We will learn some words like seed, water, soil, germination, sunflower, sunlight, pumpkin, sprout, plant, vine, leaf, flower, stem, blossom, harvest, fresh, orange, ripe, round, healthy, cucumber with the following clips.
Now in this clip you'll see soil, seed and water. He puts water. Then the germination process. The word is germination. The leaves come out, the stems. The stem, the plant is growing. The leaves are becoming bigger. There are vines and a bud is coming out and a flower flowering. After flower there will be a fruit. The fruit is pumpkin. Pumpkin is orange, healthy, fresh. Vine is bale. Now in the next clip we'll see a flower. The same process, seed, plant germinates, seed germinates into a plant, then leaves, then stem, it grows, the leaves are green, they grow into a flower, and the flower is a sunflower. Sunflower. The flower is the sunflower. The butterflies are also there. Now in the next clip you'll see the same process with the seed. The seed grows germinates into a plant. Water, sunlight. The same process. The seed germinates. It becomes a plant. And the plant grows. The plant grows and there is vine. The small stems, tiny ones, these are vine. And now the fruiting. The fruit comes out and the fruit is vegetable is cucumber, kheera. Cucumber comes out. So this is the process, and also learn some words and we are going to make their sentences. Vine का मतलब बेल. The pumpkin grows on a vine. कद्दू बेल पर उगता है. Leaf meaning पत्ता. The leaves are green. पत्ते हरे हैं. Stem तना. Stem तना. The stem is strong. तना मजबूत है. Is blossom. खिलना. The blossom turns into a pumpkin. फूल बाद में कद्दू बन जाता है. हार्वेस्ट मतलब फसल की कटाई. फार्मर्स हार्वेस्ट pumpkins in autumn. किसान शरद ऋतु में कद्दू की फसल काटते हैं. Then is ripe, पका हुआ. Pumpkin is ripe, कद्दू पका हुआ है. Round, गोल. The pumpkin is round. कद्दू गोल है. Orange means नारंगी रंग. The pumpkin is orange. कद्दू नारंगी रंग का है. Fresh, ताज़ा. The pumpkin is fresh, healthy, सेहतमंद. We become healthy if we eat pumpkin. So these are the sentences and words that we learned today. Thank you for watching.